For our alternate energy experiment, we did the thermal solar panel experiment.
After setting up our experiment, you see that Lana is measuring the temperature of the water. She then, using the syringe, puts water into the straw and double checks the ends are blocked.
After that, we plug in the light and wait and leave it to shine for 10 minutes. While this is happening, we will explain the details of our experiment.
We've been trying to find out which straw color heats the water in the straw best.
Our standardized variables were that we used the same type of lamp, kept the same distance between the cardboard tube and the lamp, and the minutes that the tube was sitting under the light was kept the same, which was 10. The independent variable was the color of the straw, and the dependent variable was the temperature of the heated water in the straw.
For this experiment, we conducted 2 trials of the straw colors yellow, red, and blue. We found that the average temperature of the water before it was heated was 21.15 degrees Celsius. After it was heated, the average temperature of the water in the yellow straw was 27.15. In the red straw, the average was 25.9, and in the blue, it was 25.3.
Because of these results, we concluded that the yellow straw heated the water most effectively. Although, in our hypothesis, we predicted the darker colored straws would absorb the light and heat up the water better.
After a lot of thinking, we thought why the yellow straw might have heated the water better. We think that the yellow straw heated water better because when the light reflected on the reflectors at the side and onto the straw, it would reflect back, therefore causing the light to reflect on, heating the water more and more.
In this experiment, we experienced several errors. These included the fact that our experiment was placed near others and therefore became disrupted by them. We also tried to keep the lamp and tube the same distance apart, but we're not sure if we were effective in doing so.
There were also many ways we could have improved our experiment. If we could do it again, we would have spaced out the distance between our own experiment and our classmates more and measure the distance between the lamp and the cardboard tube just to make sure it stays the same for each trial.
After our experiment has sat under the lamp for 10 minutes, we begin to measure our results and disassemble.
First, we unplug the top of the straw, measure the new temperature as shown, and record it in our results table.
After the light has been turned off, we then walk to the sink and empty out the water. When done, we disassemble our experiment.
Thank you for watching!